Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to again continue our second chapter, that is the exponent and powers. Yes, in the last day already we have discussed about that some examples by using some law of exponents, and also today also we are going to discuss some extra additional examples about that using of this law of exponents. So how will you use this law of exponents in our examples, and we will discuss and we will solve easily that we are going to learn. So see students, I have written down some problems and how we will do simplify these problems. So let us observe. Okay, so look at here students. First example I have written two questions. First question, simplify 25 into p whole to the power minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into p to the power minus 4. Okay, this is one first question. Second question also I have written, we have to simplify. So first of all, like this question means you don't worry about the students, very carefully observe. According to rule, according to the exponent law, we have to simplify. So first of all, we have to simplify. Solution we can write. The first one we have to write solution and write the questions. 25 into p whole to the power minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into p whole to the power minus 4. By step we have to do students. So I will do here, that second problem I will do that side. Okay. Now look at the students. Is equal to. So first of all, you make it exponent form. First work. You make whatever the numbers given, make it in exponent form. So 25, as a 25 we can write in 5 to the power 2 because 5 into 5. Now into 5 p to the power minus 4 by, this is already there, 5 to the power minus 3 into, this we can write in 2 into 5 into p to the power minus 4. Why I should write this? 10 into 2 into 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. Okay. Now also we can simplify students. This here p 5 is there, here 5 is there, that we can simplify first. 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 5 p to the power minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 3, here plus 1 because base same. So plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 into p to the power minus 4. We can do this minus 4. Did you understand friends? As usual I have made this same as I kept. Second step you observe that this both 5 and 5, these two both are same, so power will be r. So I added and remain as usual same I done. Look at the students. First of all, you look here. I have done this 5. I am checking that underline doing 5. Here also I am doing this 5. This 5 base, both base are the same. Both base are same. So I have made both base are same. Power will be added. Why? Now this formula I usually here I can understand. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus n. I use this formula with this one. Okay. So now what will get the answer? Now we will get the answer. It will simplify this. 5 to the 2 into p to the power minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power 1 into p to the power minus 4. Okay. So now look at the students. This 5 base same, it is division. This is p also division. So we can write it. This if reciprocal if you do, that also negative. So first of all 5 we can remove. So 5 means 5 to the power, how much will come? 2 minus, this division is there means subtraction. So minus 2 into, this is 2 not there, so 2 to the power minus 1 into 2. P we can do p to the power minus 4 minus 4. So did you understand students? Whenever the division is there, we can do subtraction. So 2 minus minus 2. Here p also division is there, minus 4 minus 4. And this 2 down is there, so we can write minus 1 because it is reciprocal there. So now we can simplify students. 5 to the power 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 into 2 to the power minus 1 means we can write it. Directly we can write 2, 1 by 2 we can write, keep it as usual again once, into, why I have written, because you will get confusion. Next p to the power minus 4 plus 4 matlab it will be 0 will get students. So okay, -4 plus 4, so is equal to 5 to the 4 means 625 by 2 p to the power 0 is equal to 625 by 2, okay, into 1, because since p to the power 0 is equal to p to the power 0 is equal to 1, okay, so hence we will get 625 by 2. This is our answer. Okay, so like this we have to simplify. So look at the students, if you do this second problem also students, we have to clear once, you have to check that problem students. If it is there, what is that p to the power 25 into p to the power -4 by 5 to the power -3 into 10 into p to the power -4. Okay, if you look at that students, if you questions, if you see that you can understand students. Here I have written little mistake. I question I saw that this you make it 8. Okay, if you make it the 8, then you can change it questions students. Only 8 is there. Don't write anything. Just 8 you should change it, because it is 8. Okay. Now we will get p to the power 4. Okay. So now p to the power 4. P to the power 4 is the answer. Only instead of no step changing, the question I have written -4. That's why I have solved. But actual question is p to the power -8. So if you will get that answer, you will get same things. Now students, you go for the second solution. Solution the second one. What is that? 3 to the power -5 into 10 to the power -5 into 125 whole divided by 5 to the power -7 into 6 to the power -5. So first of all, whatever the numbers is there, make it exponent of the product. So 3 to the power -5, yes, it is okay. Now we can write it 2 into 5, 2 into 5 whole power -5 into, this is 5 to the power 3. Keep 5 into 5 into 5 which is 125. So by, this is same as it, 7 into 2 into 3 whole power -5. Okay. Now we can write, or we can open this 3 to the power -5 into 2 to the power -5 into 5 to the power -5 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power -7 into 2 to the power -5 into 3 to the power -5 is equal to. Now look at the students. First of all, 2 to the power -5, this we can do cancel first. Okay, 2 to the power -5, 2 to the power -5 cancel. Now look at that. Here 3 to the power -5, 3 to the power -5, is it? This also will be cancelled. Okay. Now what is the remain? Remain is 5 to the power -3 into 5 to the power 3 by 5 to the power -7. Okay. Now if we do this, if we add 5 to the power -3 into, sorry, plus 3, okay, by 5 to the power -7. 5 to the power -7 is equal to 5 to the power 0, because -3 plus 3 is equal to 0, by 5 to the power -7 is equal to 5 to the 0 is equal to 1 by 5 to the power -7. So if negative sign is there, then what is that? It will be 5 to the power 7. This is our answer. Okay students, I hope you have understand what is that answer. We have got that. This we can do. What is that? About that, once you should see that question students. 3 to the power -5, 10 to the power -5 into 125, 5 to the power -7 into 6 to the power -5. Okay. So now 3 to the power -5 into 2 into 5. Okay. 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 7 into 2 into 3 -5. Okay. So 3 to the power -5, 2 to the power -5, 5 to the power -5, 5 to the power 3, whole by 5 to the power -7 into 2 to the power -5 into 3 to the power -5. So now we got 3 to this, we got this, we got. Now 5 to the power, this is here students, you will get a mistake students. Here mistake is there students, because -5 is there I have written the mistake, minus 5 this is here. Okay, so we can write minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3 means it will get 2. Okay, now it's okay. Minus 5 minus 2 will get, okay, minus 2 if you will get, then we can subtract now. Sorry friends, this now we can do this. 5 to the power minus 2 minus minus 7, so is equal to 5 to the power minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 5 to the power 5. So 5 to the power 5 is equal, 5 to the power 4 is equal to 625 into 5, 3125 is our answer. Okay, so I hope you have understand. Just you have to remember that students, according to that base you have to make it the simplify. Okay, now students, in the next question students, example 2, by what number should minus 16 to the power minus 1 be divided to give the quotient minus 4 to the power minus 1? Okay, so now how we should do this? So one number should be divided to this and answer will get this. So solution students, very careful understand. So let that required number is, let the number be x. Okay, so according to the question, what are they telling? Minus 16 to the power minus 1 divided by x is equal to minus 4 whole power minus 1. Yes, so 16 to the power minus 16 to the power minus 1 divided by which number? The answer will get, quotient will be get this. Okay, now which implies if we do this reciprocal minus, this will get division x is equal to 1 by minus 4. So which implies if we do 1 by minus 16 into, okay, so what will get? 1 by x is equal to 1 by minus 4. Okay, now students, what you have to do? If this we need, so which implies 1 by x is equal to, this will go that side, so 1 by minus 4 division 1 by, what will get? Minus 16 is equal to, I write here, so which implies 1 by x is equal to, this should change, minus 1 by 4 into minus 16 by 1 is equal to, if you cut minus minus cancel over, 4 will get. Okay, so 1 by x is equal to 4 by 1 or x is equal to 1 by 4. This is our answer. Hence the required number is 1 by 4. We will get that answer, that is, what about that? About that we will get x value, what is that? 1 by 4 will get. Okay, now it's okay. Now did you understand students how that? First of all, take that x we are dividing, and whenever we are dividing this according to the procedure we have to complete. If you are in confusion, you can ask to me in my personal contact number. Find the reciprocal of this. Students, first of all you division do, then after we can do the, what is that? Reciprocal. Okay, so now look at the students, solution we can write. So 9 by 2 whole power, how much? Minus 5 division 2 by 9 whole power minus 3. Okay, so pale division you have to do. Before that students, whenever you are dividing, you should make it after that numbers are that power is what is that, you should observe that. We can do that 9 power minus 5 by 2 power minus 5 division 2 power minus 3 by 9 power minus 3. First of all, we have written that with the exponent form which we have written is equal to minus 9 power minus 5 by 2 power minus 5 into, this it will change, yes, 9 power minus 3 by 2 power minus 3. Okay, because it will be, whenever we are fractional rational number we are multiplying, dividing, that it will be changed, reciprocal we have to do. So now is equal to, now base 9 and 9, so both base are same, so power we can add. So 5 minus plus minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 9 whole power minus 8 by 2 whole power minus 8. So is equal to, you can write it 9 by 2 whole power minus 8. Okay, or we can write it if reciprocal you want to do 1 by 1 to do, so 2 by 9 whole power 8. Okay, so how like 2 by 9, because the negative sign is there means it will be changed, and 2 by 9 power 8. So this is our answer. Okay friends, and then after what you have to do, the telling reciprocal of this. So hence the reciprocal of 2 by 9 whole power 8 is how much will get? If 1 by it will do, then what will get? It will change 9 by 2 whole power 8. Okay friends, I hope you have understand how we are using the law of exponents and simplifying the problems. Thank you all of you friends. Have a nice day.